Or welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Clovers and thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Today I'm doing something a little bit different, something I've never done on my channel before. So the other day I was on TikTok and then I saw a video of this girl. Oh wait, if you don't follow me on TikTok, what are you doing? I'm going to set my name somewhere on the screen so you can see and then you can follow me on TikTok. I don't do too much on there, but I mean I post some things, okay? So just follow me on TikTok if you don't already. So let's just get right into the challenge. Okay, so what I saw on TikTok was this was a video where this girl got a bowl. Basically what she would do is pull out different numbers, and then whatever numbers that she has pulled out, whatever color of eyeshadow that the numbers pull out, she will use that to create an eye look. So basically that's what I'm going to be doing today, but we're not going to be using a bowl, okay? We're going to be using something just a little bit different. I'm using this old charger box that I had, and I'm just going to, as soon as I get it open, then I've put in different just cards in it, and then the cards are all labeled 1 to 63. Okay, I don't know where 63 is, but basically they're all numbered, and then it is from 1 to 63. Okay, so today we're going to be using this palette. This palette is the one that I used in my last video. It is my biggest palette. I honestly thought that using a big palette would work with this because it's more of a challenge. If I use a palette with like 6 or 9 eyeshadow colors, it is still a challenge, but there's more combination possibilities in a bigger palette. This palette has 63 shades in it. We're gonna be using these two hand in hand, but I'm just quickly run through what I'm going to be doing again. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I am going to shake this up like so, pick out 3 different numbers, 3 different cards. So say this is 58 for example, and then I'm going to go on my eyeshadow palette. This shade, the palest shade here being number 1, and then the darkest shade here being number 63. Okay, so yeah, so let's just get right into the video. I'm so nervous, I'm not even gonna lie, because like what if I pick 2 very odd colors like green and purple together? Oh my god. Okay, challenge accepted. Okay, this is a challenge. We're gonna do it. We are going to do it. We're gonna get through it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and shake my box up. Please give me something cute. So I'm gonna open it up, pick a random number, say this one, number 13. Okay, we're gonna pick out 3 shades. Okay, let's not make this too intense, not too insane. Number 47. And number, oh, 1 came out, 41. So we're going to be using shades numbers 13, 41, and 47. So let's count. This is number 13. I don't like this shade at all. What the I don't know if y'all can see this, but this is like gray. This is probably the worst transition shade you could ever come across. Let me just show you guys on. Look, it's not even. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my Jesus Christ. Okay, number 47 as well. Okay, we've got something cute. 41, we've got this lime green shade. I like this color. I really like this color. But how I'm gonna combine this color, this two together? Okay. And number 47. So this is 42, 43, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, and purple. Oh my god! My worst fear happened. Oh my god, this is so sad. Cause, oh my god, I know, I jinxed it. I totally jinxed this thing. Because there's no possible explanation as to why I would pick green and purple. Okay, so I don't know. I think it's okay for me to put a little bit, just one less rule in it and pick one less color, because I don't like these two colors. I don't like these two colors at all. The first one is not even showing up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can't. So let's just go ahead and pick one more color. Just one more color, please. Okay? Do me nice. Please do me well. 46. Wait. So 46 is this red color right here. Well, okay, so this is a challenge for a reason, and we're gonna go into it. We're gonna work our way to the top. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that is it. That is the completed look. I am super excited that it's finally over, because bro, yo, I don't even think y'all understand the kind of I went through a lot trying to create this look. Okay, I went through so much. If you guys want to see more of this kind of videos, like this kind of mystery makeup looks, just let me know in the comment section. Then I would make that a thing on this channel. Probably not every single time, because I'm gonna run out of color combinations at some point. So that is it. I need to round up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I would really appreciate it if you let me know whatever you think in the comment section. It means a lot to me, because me going through all of this and then y'all telling me what you think about it would mean quite a lot to me. Okay, please subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and like this video if you like it. And if you don't like it anyways, please. And also share this video with anybody that you think is bored, okay, because we're all bored out here. Share this video to everybody that you know that you think would have interest in something like this. And that is it. That is just basically it. I would absolutely do this again. I would absolutely do this mystery makeup thingy again, definitely, because I had a really good time trying to create this look. The whole picking up the numbers and, you know, matching all of that, I really liked how I like the concept, so I would definitely do it again. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I am going to see you on my next one. Bye.